So, as I was telling God's Way and Confidence, in America, we don't eat gari, and we don't have Milo. Did you know that? In America, no gari. So, you four are going to show us how you make the gari with the Milo as your after-school snack, okay? Okay, let's...
Much was special.
Okay, so do you guys need to get your bowls?
Yes.
Do you guys want to get your bowls? Yeah, go get your bowls. Let's go to the dorm.
I got that.
Okay, come on, let's go. They might want to see what the dorm looks like.
I got a book.
You got a bowl? Yeah. Come on, let's see where you enter. Enter even though I'm a girl? Okay.
Enter.
Yeah, let's go see. Musa, can you show where you keep your bowls? You want to show them where you keep your bowls?
I'm not in bowl.
No. Ask them to see where they keep their bowls.
Let me keep bowling.
This is my bowl. I keep it here. So this is it.
Okay.
Come, Ofika to the table.
Yeah, we're going to make a video of how you eat gari. No, it's my four special boys. My four gari boys. So what do we do next? What do we take with our bowl? What do we do? We fetch water?
Yeah, sugar.
Do we have sugar? I don't have sugar. I only have Milo and gari.
Okay,
Is that okay?
You pour the gari in the bowl.
Okay.
You pour the sugar in the water, then you stir it, then you pour the gari inside, and you pour the Milo inside, you stir it, then we eat it.
All you can do is you pour the gari in the bowl, then you pour the sugar on them.
Or you either mix all of them before you pour the water on it.
Okay, well let's go and let's see what we do.
Yeah.
Okay. Does anybody have any sugar? Does anybody have any sugar left? Anybody have sugar? Anybody have sugar we can use? No? No one has sugar. Is it okay to eat with no sugar, or you have to have sugar?
Sugar.
It's good? Okay.
What is good? And what is that?
Let's go. Where do we get our water?
No, go fresh.
Yeah.
Come on, Samson.
Yeah, let's go.
There's no sugar? So you just do it plain? Okay, well let's come sit over here so we can do it. Alright. So.
Yes.
You don't have to eat all of it now if you don't want to, if you're not hungry. Okay? You can save some for later. Okay, so make sure you're taking a video of what they're doing, Samson.
Midnight.
Okay.
Oh, I can eat this.
Who know that coffee? I'm back to you now. Hey, go to Jordan. Hey, go to
See, that shows that I don't know how to make this. I did not even know you had to have sugar. I did not know.
Hey, so got Jordan.
You put all the yeah? Is it good?
Hey,
Can I
toca
try this?
gatera.
This already is sweet. This already has sweet in it. It has like sugar.
Cool.
Okay, so here's all the gari. How much do you put in?
One after the other.
And I will leave the rest of the gari here for you, so you can take what you want, but you can keep the rest.
Oh, that's my rice. The rest. That's my rice. The
Can
rest
somebody
is
tell? Do you know?
Don't call me.
Musa, do you know what gari is made out of? It's cassava, yeah. So Samson, you want to get a close-up to see what the gari looks like? Somebody hold it up for Samson in your hand. Yeah, it's dry. Is it crunchy? Yeah.
Hello.
We have quite a big audience of helpers here. The whole dorm is watching. All good? All right, we can wrap it back up.
Can they keep the rest?
No, the rest is from you.
No.
I think you can share the rest with Samson because he's helping to take the video. So, God's way. If you were going to describe what gari tastes like, what would you call the taste? Do you know?
Good.
Alright. Is there anything else? You four gari boys. Is there anything else you want to say? Hey Calvin, maybe you can be a little quiet so we can take this. Gari boys. Do you want to say anything about gari or about Milo?
Madam, there's no sugar.
No sugar.
Now they add water. There's no sugar in it.
Do you so if there's no sugar, you like to eat it plain, and if there is sugar, you use water. That's true. Okay. All right. Let's see. Everybody get a big handful all together. Can everyone take a bite? Let's see. All 1, 2, 3. Eat. All right, thank you guys. And that's how we make gari. That's how we eat gari. All right, Samson, do you want to add anything?
No.
Do you want to turn